Are you a busy parent who literally needs to find a way to bring in extra income, but you don't have a lot of time to give? You're already working 40 plus hours a week, and you're like, I have no more time that I can put to work to bring in extra income. Well, I'm here to tell you that online digital marketing is going to save you. It's going to save you because I started online digital marketing 9 months ago. I brought in 5 figures so far, and I'm able to do it in the nooks and crannies of my day. If you don't know me, my name's Emily. I'm a 22-year-old stay-at-home mama to a 2-year-old. So I have a crazy toddler. Not only that, I am a military spouse. I'm prior military when my husband's still in, and he's getting deployed for 6 months. So I'm going to be doing everything by myself. I don't have family near me, so I will be by myself. With that being said, I had to find something that would allow me to make money from home, but also not take a lot of time. And with online digital marketing, I can fit it in the nooks and crannies of my day. For example, I just listened to training videos on the way to therapy. So I'm telling you, if you need something that is going to be like time saving, you're not going to have to put a ton of time into it. You can just do it here and there throughout the day. Digital marketing is going to be just for you, and I would love to teach you more about it. If you want more information, comment me down below.